Is static charge bothering you? Static measurement or assessing the amount of static charge that we have in a workspace is a very key component for an EPA success. That is electrostatic protected area success. If it has to meet the compliance, measuring static charge is very key component. So many clients call me, Dr. Sachin, can you provide us with a static chair, anti-static mat, wrist straps? Can I have a PCB rack which is ESG safe, and different ionizers, flooring, and so on. And I ask them a simple question: how much of static charge is present in your work area? And many of the time they say, we have no clue. They would give me actually readings of their chair. Yeah, our chair is 10 to the power of 6. Now they are giving me resistivity readings. They're telling me our flooring is ESG safe and we regularly measure. I said the floor, the chair, they are not working. It is the people who are working. It is the components when they move, and when we are working, static is produced when things move, during friction, during separation. It is not to measure your mat and all that. Yes, I would not say that not to measure them. Yes, measure them on a regular basis, but it is static charge which is the real thing that you should go after. So here I have an amazing product for you. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin. I'm a static expert. 20 plus years I've been working with several top organizations, and I've been working on static and static control for a very long time now. I have this wonderful product, a static charge meter. Over a period of time, I've been working with many products, and I've come across many static charge meters or static field meters. The challenge is either they're too expensive in price, they're imported, and the accuracy is the issue, or the battery is a challenge, they drain off very fast, and so many other things, or the measuring distance is unknown. There are several other things, or the range is not much. So here I have this wonderful product which I will give you a close view very soon, and this is our model. We have three in this: 1301, 1302 and 1303. Now the first model can measure up to 2 kV. Ideal for electronic industries, ideal for PCBs and all the other things. EMS, fantastic, because 2 kV is one of the highest things that we can have. So we have that. Then we have up to 20 kV. That would be very good for, say, pharma, or say would be good for textile and all that. But however, even if you are in plastic or films, or you're working with high speed or paper, this is the only company which gives you an instrument which can measure up to 200 kV. Yeah, that lasts 200 kV. So we have three ranges: 2 kV, that is 20 kV, and 200 kV for whichever range. And the best part is we get all the three models in also explosive area kind of a requirement. Also, if you want to be used in hazardous locations. So when I go to a lot of pharmaceutical companies, and even sometimes when I go to paint industries, chemical industries, they say, Sachin, Dr. Sachin, you are coming with an instrument. Is your instrument meant for hazardous location? I say, yes, I am having that. Now that's a very key requirement. So this meets everything, and price wise, unbelievable, very price, because today we are working in a market which is really price sensitive, and the clients want the best at the lowest possible. This is the instrument which fits in. Now we will move a little closer into it. So it's very simple instrument. We just turn it on, and here you go, it starts. You can see the battery mark that will always tell you how much of battery you have. This will give you the reading. Here we have a little bit of an error here, and that error can be fixed. We have a backlight. If you press this, the backlight goes, the backlight comes in. So if we are working in an area which is a little darker, you have the backlight, and then we have this. This is basically a mark to show the indication. That will actually bring in the two LEDs here, which allows the measurement to happen. I'll use another equipment to show you this. So this is for distance 25 mm. So you can have this, and you can measure this where the two lights will meet, and in a darker environment I'll show you that. So let's see how this simple instrument works, and this is the power button, and right now it is switched on. Let's do this very closely. So I am going to use a tape now to show how it works. So I am using a simple tape here, brown packing tape, BOPP tape. And what I'm going to do is, when I peel off this tape, it generates a lot of static charge because of separation process, or I can say even friction also. Let's do a very simple test first. Yeah, I have a film which I am just generating a little bit of friction, And when I keep this, you can see there's the static charge. You can see it's approximately 0.3, 0.4. So you can see the static charge generated. And we will do the same test with the tape also. I am gonna now remove this tape. I'm gonna peel this tape. So there we have it, and I am expecting. So if you can see this tape, the static charge is gone up to 2 kV, about 3 kV static charge. Yeah. As I come farther, you will be able to see the static charge is not showing. So when I move closer, the two lights which is there on the surface will show us the exact amount of reading. So this static charge is currently about 1.5 kV static charge I have, and simple, very simple instrument. So very close by. Now I'm going to show you the other things. This is the part where we need to connect it to earth or the ground, and you see here there's a bit of an error, 0.1, and it's not coming to 0 because we have not connected to earth right now, the power button and all that. And one important feature that I'm going to show it to you, we will be turning off the lights to show you how these two lights work. And this is actually the sensor. Very important is not to touch the sensor part. The sensor is right here, and we are going to show you how the lights work. Here I'm going to show you how the distance features work. If you look carefully, we have these two LEDs that is going to show us the distance part. So when we measure static, it is very important that we get accurate measurement. So this company was very innovative. They came up with this method. So if you can see, when this light converge, when they meet, when these two LEDs meet, or when they fall into each other, this is the place that we should take a reading. Yes. If we take it too far, you can see that the circles are not merging. The inner light and the external light is not meeting. So when they come closer, this one, it reaches to a distance of 25 mm and it is ready for reading. So this is an amazing feature that we have in the static field meter. One feature that I loved was the shape. So I've worked with many static charge meters from the best of the companies, whether it was US or UK made, even Japanese made. The instruments will be very straight. And when I am putting it inside, I will find it very hard sometimes to read whether I'm getting the right reading or not. Sometimes when you're working with films, we are working in packaging industry, it was kind of become very difficult. SMT lines, it becomes very difficult. So this company was very innovative, and when they gave it to me, I realized, wow, it can point in this direction, but I can still see the reading. So this is something very simple, but very thoughtful of them. I liked it, very simple, and whomever I've given this, they've said, wow, we love it. It's so easy to read, and 148 grams. It just has very simple AAA batteries. Most static charge field meters that I have come across from even large companies, they will use a 9-volt battery, which is a little hard to get at some times. So this uses very less amount of power and calibration. It comes factory calibrated. Every year the calibration we do it in-house here. We have a standard industry standard calibration meter, and we calibrate it once again and send it to our clients. So wonderful instrument here, static charge meter, static field meter, 1301, 1302 and 1303. That is about 2 kV, 20 kV and up to 200 kV. That's huge. And also we have the explosion proof version also, which comes with the certificate that it is explosion proof and it is certified. Every single instrument gets certified before it leaves our factory. So once again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Dr. Sachin, and continue to keep watching our videos. I represent an organization called Yuhai. We're one of the leading static charge suppliers as well as solution providers. And thank you so much. Please visit our website to know more about our products.